Okay, first grade. Got a new trick in time for the Halloween season. You'll see your character has different faces on different sides. And we also have the ghost mummy. I haven't decided what to call this one yet, and I haven't done the face on the back of that one yet. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna set it on the table and you're going to make it rise, rise. You make it walk around, spin around, and then you can make it go to sleep. Rise, rise, and go to sleep. Same with the ghost. Rise, rise, or the mummy, whatever you want to call this one. And this one's not working. Oh, there we go. And obviously, we know now this is not magic. This is science. All I'm doing is putting this magnet under the table, and I'm either turning it this way or this way, and they react. So if it doesn't work through the table, you can of course use a tray. And I've got my little Frankenstein right there, so I'm going to slide the magnet under here. I'm going to say rise. Now, to get them, do magnets attract or repel? Both, right? So if I go to this side, it attracts. But if I turn the magnet over, this time I can make it repel. So I can make him stand up, or I can make him lay down. And then once you get him up, you can move him around, woo, and dancing. And then let's see if we get this one, the same thing. Ooh, now this one is the opposite pole. Oops. Oh, look at that. So they switch. Because the magnets were put on differently. So that is our first trick. Sharing is caring. We take turns so everybody learns. I discovered this trick by accident because I was putting magnets on the bottom of these wooden dominoes as a handle, so we could put it under the table and move it around. See, the disc is the magnet there. And I don't know, some accident happened, and I moved the magnet underneath it, and it started dancing around, and then it stood up like that. I said, that's pretty cool. If you're using the horseshoe magnet, you'll see one has an S and one has an N, so north and south. So depending on the north and south of this magnet, one of these will make it stand up and one will make it sit down. And so all you have to do is just match it up. Let's see if we can do it this way. So this is south going this way, and whoop, so this must be the north end because north and south opposites attract. That means if I go over here, this one should repel, push it away. Let's see. Sure enough, look at that. Woo! That's pretty cool. But I still think it's better doing it through the table because I think it looks more magical. Stand up, rise. Lay down. Rise. Dance around. Dance, 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 dance. And go to bed. All right, this is the magic sand trick, and what appears to be sand in a container is going to be left in the container. Do not take the lid out and make a mess. Please keep it in there. Then you're going to take your magnet, you're going to set it right there on the magic sand, give it a little shake, and turn it upside down. Whoa, it's created a monster! And then I can lift it, and it goes away. What? I wonder if it works on this side. Same thing. Give it a little shake. Yeah, it does, but the lid makes it hard to see. So I'm going to go back to this side. Just give it a little shake. Ooh, and then what? Boop. There you go. Turns out these are little pieces of metal. They're metal shavings. Iron, and iron is attracted to magnets. So even though it looks like sand, it's really like metal soup mixed in with the sand there. Cool. We take turns so everybody learns. But these are the iron filings, little bitty pieces of metal that we're using. Little pieces of metal called iron filings. Not for human consumption. Don't eat them. All right, revisit from last week. Careful, because this spider is inside a container and it's moving around. Ah! If it doesn't work this way, you can always put it on a tray and make it move that way. Ooh, I'm giving my hand away. Oh, look, it's dead. It's upside down. Can I bring it back to life? Yes. What do I do with this magnet? Flip it over and look, it's repelling and pushing it to flip over. Can I get it to flip over? Come on, Spidey. You're alive. Come on, Spidey. No. Ah, yes. Woohoo! Flip them over. Look at that. And then if I want them to flip over again, just turn this over. And repel. Boom! All right. So, through the table, through the tray, sharing is caring. We take turns so everybody learns. Okay, another neat trick. You may have seen this before, but even if you have, it's worth revisiting. It's really cool. Get two of these, I call them donut magnets, because that's what they look like to me. And you put them this way, and they attract each other, right? But if I turn it over, it makes this amazing repelling feeling. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use a pencil. I'm just gonna set it right here on the table, and I'm gonna put my fingers kind of in the way here. And let's see if I can line these up. There we go. Look at that. Now these magnets are fragile. If I drop it, it's gonna break and then you gotta buy a new one. So please be respectful and please keep them on the pencil. I should probably slide it all the way down so it doesn't pop off. It feels so weird. Then you can set it on the table and push down. See how high you can get it to go. Pretty cool. What happens when I turn it the other way? They attract. Please be careful. Don't break them.